Hello everyone, welcome to Nifty Bank Nifty. So today we are going to analyze Nifty 50 chart analysis for the day December 5, 2025. So today market is kind of moved in upwards, like it's a kind of a good uptrend market today. Initially for until I think almost at 10:30 market felt like struggling in between bulls and bears, but after that the market take a good up movement. So markets traveled between almost four important levels that I usually use. One is CPR, another one is R1, then previous day high, then R2. So market traveled today in between these four important levels. So let's analyze that. So as you know, market opened exactly at 26,000 with a long green color. So good bullish candle started the market, which means bulls are very eager to buy the stocks at the beginning. You can understand by that long green color candle at 9:15. So, and also one more thing I want to say here, like you see, CPR is here very linear as well as thin today. Okay, which means you can expect market to move uh, in upward or in downward, and you can expect there is a good trend, maybe on downtrend, maybe on uptrend. So you can expect the good trend in upwards or downwards in case you see this kind of linear CPR. Okay, so as it linear means we can say market went on sideways yesterday. So from that only the CPR is calculating. So you can get some idea about this thing. Currently, I want to share this thing with you. In case the CPR is very thin, mean you can expect market to move in good upward or good downward. Okay, so you can expect this kind of trend, not expected to market to move sideways, because this is kind of a CPR rule. So as per the rule only, it went like it moved in good up movement. So, and also you can see it taking almost two support in the morning itself in the CPR, and also you can see the long wick found in the downside. So market tried to get down at 10 o'clock as well as at 10:30, taking the support at CPR, then went back to the two important levels, that is R1 and previous day high. So which means those two important levels are in the same point only, like 26,099, almost near to each other. So at 10:15 it broken the two levels with a single candle itself, but again market get back and taking the support at CPR, then again went above and broken those two levels with a single candle. And usually I prefer this trade because you can see it's a kind of a good risk reward ratio followed in here. You can call it as maybe 1:2, because when you take the trade with this broken candles, high got broken with the next candle, that is 10:50, you can take the trade at 10:50 candle, buying the call option at the money, and put the stop loss below these two levels and take the profit at R2. So that's a kind of a good trade. But here market tested your patience so much, because your target reached almost around like 12:30, but you get into the trade at 10:50. It almost 1.5 hour. Okay, so market tested your patient here, but the target got achieved. Stop loss didn't get triggered. So I think some people may enter the trade and make some good profit. Then again, that reached candle itself, it broken that R2 also. But since R3 is so many points in upside, there is now not kind of good trade when this thing got broken. Usually, I don't prefer market to reach this kind of R2 or S2 on the same day itself. I just watch CPR, R1 and R2, not bother about R3. So I usually avoid when the market got broken this R2 or S2. So I don't prefer when the market open this R2 level and we can enter. But some people may take the risk, but I won't prefer that one. Okay, so here there is a good possibility to take the trade. As I said before, you must wait for the candle to reach R2 with a good risk reward ratio also here I can say. So you can take the trade here. Then again, uh, as I said before, the market definitely faces some hardness to reach R3. Like the same way as I expected, market again came down and broken this R2 from above to below with this 150 candle. Uh, and I can take the trade here also because that is also kind of a good one, because here almost a good risk reward ratio also uh, can say, because if you take the trade at 155 and put the stop loss above this level and take the profit at previous day high, but here it won't go as expected because it triggers the stop loss at almost 3 p.m. Yeah, that's good only, but anyhow we checked the good risk reward ratio and we have checked our condition, so everything is fine and good, so we can enter. And even I tried here also for taking the trade, but in this candle I got existed and saved some money. I'm not wait for stop loss to trigger, because I understand because of this long week and these two green candles and this candles power. So I exist the trade at 3 maybe around like 3 p.m, maybe 3 2. So I'm not wait for this candle to reach the stop loss, I just exist the trade manually for saving some money, but I have taken this trade. So today one trade triggered the stop loss, one trade triggered the, I mean, reached the target. So it's a kind of the good one only, because we must happy with taking the stop loss also. Okay, so here this is what I analyzed it today. Like it's a kind of a good upward movement market. There is some kind of opportunity and some kind of learnings also. So yeah, that's it guys. Happy trading. We will meet in another video. Thank you.